Historically, Tibet has been an independent country. So what we are asking for, considering the reality of the situation inside Tibet, whether the Tibetan identity will remain alive or not, that is the biggest question for us. So to preserve the Tibetan identity, Tibetan language, Tibetan culture, Tibetan religion, Tibetan way of life, and protection of Tibet's environment, that is more important for us.
You have gone.
That is what the Chinese government does. All your actions are linked to the welfare of your near and dear ones. That is the gridlock system, where people don't have, so you have to think many times. As I mentioned, 157 Tibetans have immolated so far, hoping against hope that the Chinese government will pay some attention to their plight, or hoping against hope that the international community will come to their rescue.